Be real with yourself for just 10 seconds. Are you diving into cybersecurity because you are actually passionate about it? Or because everyone on LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta, or YouTube made it look cool and high paying? Hey everyone, welcome back to Tejas Diaries. And this is not a tutorial and this is not a top 5 tool videos. This is real talk. If you are confused, if you are not sure whether cybersecurity is really for you, then you and I are going to figure it out today together. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Social media has made cybersecurity look like a dream job. You scroll and see people with 10 certifications in their bios, screens filled with terminal commands, bug bounties, payouts of tens of thousands of dollars. But here's what they don't show you: the months they spent learning basic networking, the failures submitting reports and getting duplicates or invalid, the burnout after pulling back to back all nighters on malware analysis, and the hours of recon with zero results. Cybersecurity may look glamorous on the outside, but inside it is a grind. If you are here for the flash, you will be gone in 6 months. Let's talk about some science, the good kind. If you are related to even two or three of these, you might be onto something. You can't use a tool without knowing how it works behind the scenes. You get a weird sense of joy breaking things, finding loopholes. You naturally ask, what if? What if this form doesn't validate? What if I intercept this API call? You love learning, even if it is not part of your school, job, or curriculum. You stayed up late not for Netflix but to finish a CTF or fix a Python script. And here is the one that matters the most. You don't give up easily, you enjoy the challenge. You love when something finally clicks after hours of frustration. Let's do a gut check. Answer these honestly, no filters. Do I love solving problems even when they make no sense at first? Am I okay with working alone for hours in silence? Can I teach myself stuff using Google, YouTube, and documentation? Do I feel excited when I hear terms like buffer overflow, MITM, or CV? If nobody paid me for this, would I still do it? If most of your answers are yes, you are probably on the right path. If they are no, that doesn't mean you are wrong, but maybe you need to explore deeper before you go all in. Cybersecurity isn't just running Nmap and Metasploit and looking cool. It's knowing why the target is vulnerable. You will need to learn how a TCP handshake works, three-way versus SYN flood, how DNS queries can be poisoned or hijacked, why input validation prevents SQLI, what a segmentation faults look like during buffer overflow. You will use tools like Wireshark, Burpsoup, sysinternals, language like Python, Bash, and maybe even some C. And you will constantly be reading CV reports, exploit write-ups, RFCs, and sometimes kernel logs. If all that made you smile even a little, you are built for this. There is a phase where you will feel like everyone else knows more than you. You will see 18-year-olds on Twitter dropping 0 days or people finishing OSCP in 30 days. You will feel like you are too late, too slow, or just not good enough. I have been there, but here's the truth. Cybersecurity is not a race, you learn at your own pace. Take breaks, touch grass, come back stronger. If you are consistent and you keep learning, you will grow, guaranteed. So, is cybersecurity your passion? Only you can answer that. But I hope today I help you get a little closer to truth. If this video hit you somewhere deep, drop a like, leave a comment with your story, and subscribe for more no fluff real cybersecurity talk.